Welcome to Krishna Fab Tech, your trusted partner for complete robotic welding solutions. Based in Surat, Gujarat, we specialize in advanced welding automation systems designed for high production, precision, and reliability. From robotic MIG welding, laser welding setups to customized welding fixtures, positioners, and special purpose machines, we provide complete turnkey solutions for modern manufacturing industries. Our systems help industries improve weld quality, reduce manpower dependency, and increase production efficiency. At Krishna Fab Tech, we combine engineering expertise with smart automation technology to deliver powerful industrial solutions tailored to customer requirements. Whether it is automotive parts, fabrication components, agriculture equipment, furnitures, or heavy engineering, we help manufacturers move towards smarter production. Krishna Fab Tech system integrator with Delta, Yaskawa, Fanuc, and Chinese robotic systems provide Krishna Fab Tech, precision in every weld. Thank you very much style. Namaskar, આપનું સ્વાગત છે Krishna Fab Tech માં. અમે provide કરીએ છીએ complete robotic welding solutions with customized fixtures and automation systems. High production, perfect welding quality, and smart manufacturing made. Krishna Fab Tech tomorrow trusted automation partner Che. Krishna Fab Tech, precision in every weld. Please contact us. Thank you very much.